Our world is in the midst of an unprecedented change in the way we manage energy and water. By 2030, energy consumption will increase by 40% and global water demand by 53%. Now more than ever, the management and conservation of our planet's most precious resources demands new thinking and new tools. One company, Itron, is facing these challenges head-on.
At Itron, we provide the critical knowledge to empower world's utilities to manage energy and water. We provide energy and water resource management systems to utilities around the world. Specifically, we provide metering, measurement, control technologies, communication systems, software, analysis, consulting, and professional services. We help them conserve resources, manage assets, protect revenue, improve cost, improve service, and probably most importantly, balance supply and demand.
Answering the call to become better stewards of our precious resources, Itron is helping nearly 8,000 utilities build a sustainable future. With more than 9,000 employees working across 130 countries, Itron is designing technology to modernize electricity and water distribution systems and empower customers to make informed decisions about their energy and water use.
Itron is a global company working with utilities around the globe, including some of the world's largest utilities to some of the most rural townships. For instance, in South Africa, we're providing electrification in areas that had never seen electricity before. In Mumbai, India, they're seeing water losses of up to 700 to 800 million liters of water per day. Itron is working with the utility in deploying a metering and automated metering system that's allowing them to measure and monitor what's being used in order to help control and curb the water that's lost. And in the United States, we're working with utilities as they're deploying some of the most sophisticated technologies to help lead and build some of the smartest cities on the planet.
Itron's technology is a key piece in building a smarter electrical grid, which will enable the responsible management of vital resources across the globe. The smart grid will change the way energy is delivered and how consumers control their energy use and costs.
A reliable, efficient power grid is key to economic growth. And the smart grid provides the data, the control, the communication to enable a utility to run its grid more effectively. Well, the smart grid is many different types of technologies. It's metering and measurement technologies, communications, software, all coming together to add more intelligence and control over the grid. At Itron, we build many of these smart grid components, including smart meters, which provide a more timely, accurate source of energy usage information both to utilities and customers. In addition to that, Itron provides communication networks that enable utilities to collect this data and monitor and control the distribution system. And lastly, we make lots of software products that take that data, create value from it in order to offer new programs and services to consumers and run the system more efficiently. The smart grid enables us to bring new energy sources and technologies onto the grid. Clean energy resources such as solar and wind and distributed generation, electric vehicles, and other types of technologies. Lastly, for consumers, the smart grid brings a whole new relationship with the utility. That's a relationship where consumers have new technologies and access to information that enables them to manage their energy use and costs much more effectively.
In developing countries, nearly 12 billion gallons of water are lost daily through water leakage, enough to serve nearly 200 million people. In the United States, 7 billion gallons are lost every day. Itron's technology enables water utilities to detect leaks and protect valuable water resources.
First of all, we make smart metering systems that monitor and collect data about water consumption and usage more frequently. This actually allows a utility to detect a leak at the customer's house and let the customer know about it before too much water is wasted and it can be fixed. Similarly, these same systems can actually listen to the pipes under the street and detect the sounds of leaks in those pipes so that the utility knows exactly where to go to make the repair. The result is less lost water and more effective conservation of this precious resource.
The relationship between customer and utility is about to change. Smarter water and electrical systems enable consumers to have more control and awareness of their energy and water usage.
As a consumer, I'm really excited about smart grid technologies. With these technologies in place, I'll be able to receive a signal from my utility that power demand is high, and I will be able to push a button, reduce my usage for a short period, and for that I'll receive a break or a rebate on my bill. I'll be able to charge my electric vehicle at times when power is cheaper, and soon I'll be able to buy new appliances for my home, washing machines, dishwashers, that are able to automatically take advantage of smart grid technologies to operate more efficiently and when costs are low. And lastly, I may be able to put a solar panel or a generator in my house and actually sell power back into the grid. These are the types of capabilities and value for consumers that the smart grid creates. The smart grid is not going to be built overnight. It will take many years with many technologies from many different companies. But this is a journey we are on as an industry to build a better energy future for all of us.
To allow the use of renewables, encourage energy efficiency, and save precious water resources, the world's utilities need flexible solutions rooted in reality. From the tools that capture critical information to the software that manages and disseminates it, Itron solutions deliver energy and water intelligence.
Itron's innovative solutions enable our customers to build a sustainable future for their business, their customers, and the environment. Imagine a future where we're as conscious about the energy we use as we are the gasoline we're putting in our vehicles. And imagine a future where instead of putting gasoline in our vehicles, we're plugging them in. Imagine a future where we've better managed our water and we've provided universal access to clean water around the globe. Itron's providing the tools and technology to help make a smarter future a reality.
With the world's population growing, energy demand increasing, and water infrastructure aging, grid and water distribution system modernization is imperative to a sustainable future. Itron provides the knowledge to shape your future. For more information, go to itron.com or call the toll-free number on your screen.